Welcome to week 8. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a good weekend. This is the last week of the course. This is week 8 of the 8-week summer session. Here's what's coming up. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities and exams. This is the last week of the summer session. Everything must be submitted by Saturday, August 8th. The system will allow you to submit anything after that. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar or Canvas. Here's a summary of what's coming out due this week. Key concepts for chapters 10 to 12 due on Canvas Thursday, August 6th by 11:59 p.m. This assignment has been available for a few weeks. Please take a careful look at the assignment guidelines. Reflection question number 4, due on Canvas Friday, August 7th by 11:59 p.m. This assignment will become available tomorrow, Monday, August 3rd. I finished grading reflection 3. Many of you are still missing this assignment. Read the guidelines carefully so you may achieve the highest points possible. It is important to remember that you need to include references to class material that include PowerPoints, instructional lecture notes, videos, and especially the textbook. Remember that each of the questions has to be answered completely with at least one paragraph. Also remember that a paragraph is technically a minimum of 5 to 6 sentences. Exam number 3, chapters 10 to 14, due on Canvas Saturday, August 10th by 11:59 p.m. The assignment has been available since this week. Please read the directions carefully and submit it according to the submission guidelines. Additional points. Make sure to read the assigned chapters in your textbook as well as make sure to review the PowerPoint lectures. I've included an instructional video for each of the lectures. The videos are from a different version, a slightly different version of the textbook, but the topics and themes and content for each of the chapters are exactly the same, so they still work. A few people are missing assignments or are not active in the class. Remember that you can always submit or resubmit assignments, but you will lose points if submitted after the deadline. We are winding down the class, so if you're behind in assignments, submit them as soon as possible because at some point time will run out. Canvas will not let the assignment be available after Saturday, August 8th. So make sure you complete all the remaining assignments by the deadline. Shortly after that, I need to finalize the grades so they can be submitted early in the week after the results are available before fall semester 29 starts. I'll be grading discussion number 4 in the next couple of days. For your information, this is the current number of points for what have been submitted and graded as of Sunday, August 2, 2020. Reflections, 3 times 50, 150 points. News discussion, 3 times 50, 150 points. Math quizzes, 5 times 20, 100 points. Exams, 2 times 100, 200 points. Key concepts, 2 times 65, 130. Some of you, so the total is 730 points. So some of you may have more than that, than the number of points if you have done exam 3 and reflection 4, which are technically not due yet. I will also have not I still also have not graded news number 4 yet, so that will add another possible 50 points. Please take a look at the grading scale on the syllabus to know that what you need to do to get the grade that you need. Here it is for your information. Remember that I grade exclusively on the number of points. I don't curve. Your grade will be determined based on the following grading scale: 900 to 1,000 points is an A, 800 to 899 points is a B, 700 to 799 points is a C, 600 to 699 is a D. Anything less than 600 points is an F. Best, Samuel Cortez.